Hey, what's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. 2016 Dodge Charger with the 5.7 liter Hemi all-wheel drive. These vehicles, the Dodge Chargers, were not offered with a V8 and all-wheel drive unless it's a Pursuit package. So you could not get one of these from the factory with a V8 and all-wheel drive in 2016. They didn't make them unless you were law enforcement. So this thing's only got 39,844 miles at the time of this recording, and this car is badass. Look at that. Oh my God, I love it. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. It has a like new back seat. It's basically brand new. They had a hard plastic back seat back there, and they just put that in there before I got it from them. So it was sitting in a warehouse. Ain't nobody even sat in that thing. Look at that. That thing is amazing. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye. Interceptorking.com.